PSA Collector.
What's going on, guys? It's Matt with PSAcollector.com, back with another video. Today's video, guys, low-hanging fruit. Now, I've been picking up a lot of these cards and posting them on my Patreon page, so the prices have gone up a little tiny bit on a lot of these cards. However, there's plenty of options out there, guys, to choose from on these players. I see a lot of potential in these players, and guys, low-hanging fruit, I'm buying dirt cheap and waiting to sell or even holding. A lot of these are long-term investments. A lot of these are short-term investments, okay? So keep that in mind when you're looking at these. I'm going to be giving you prices and maybe some other potential card ideas to look for. If you guys want to jump start on these low-hanging fruit videos and some other videos, check out my Patreon page, guys. I got a lot of benefits on there. I'm focusing heavily on Patreon right now and posting content, behind the scenes content, what I'm buying and stuff. So go check that out. I'll put a link in the description below. Without any further ado, guys, let's go ahead and jump into this video. All right, guys. So a lot of you've seen me posting some pictures on Instagram about Jarrett Stidham. I think I did a video of some recent ones I won, auctions I won. So let's just start with the football, okay? And I'll do the basketball in a second. So Jarrett Stidham, guys, super dirt cheap with a huge upside, okay? The Patriots seem to believe in him. Belichick seems to believe in him. I paid $40 for this. His select rookie serial number out of just 99. If they come out the gates, and he doesn't have to win a Super Bowl, okay? All Stidham has to do is, I think, perform on a par level, okay? Just don't come out there and throw interceptions left and right. Just perform on a par level, and I think his cards are going to go up. Like I said, $40 for the select serial number out of 99. I mean, that's dirt cheap, low-hanging fruit. And I paid $20 for the Premier Prism. Buy it now. The seller had listed it. Buy it now, $20. I said, why not? That's huge upside. This card could potentially be I don't know, anywhere from, it could be a $70 to $80 card if he comes out and he performs on a par level. Even if they make it to the playoffs, man, game over for these cards. Game over. Buy them now. That's what I'm doing. I'm not going all in, guys. I'm just picking up every one here and there, every now and then, the Jarrett Stidham cards. So if you guys don't want to collect him, that's fine. There's plenty of other cute quarterback options, but I just think that there's a huge upside on him. Moving along, guys, Barry Bonds. I picked this up for $40. It's his Topps Tiffany rookie card. You guys know I'm on the Barry Bonds long-term investment train. I think his Topps Tiffany cards, $40. This card I could have picked up for like, you know, $15 not too long ago. However, they've huge spike recently. The Barry Bonds rookie cards, huge spike. Let's see. I got these cards. I won them at auction for $20. These are the first Bowman rookie cards. Garrett Cole and Trevor Bauer, serial numbered out of 777. I love these cards. There's lots of rookies in here, potential prospects. $20. I said, why not? Won it at auction. I'm not sure if they're PSA candidates because the centering on these cards are a big issue. Cody Bellinger, 2016 Bowman Chrome Prospect Refractor, serial numbered out of 499. What did I pay for this? I paid $48 out the door, including shipping for this. It's a PSA 9. It's Cody Bellinger, guys, serial numbered out of 499. His first Bowman Chrome Refractor card. I just thought, you know, I couldn't pass it up. PSA 9, very, very underappreciated, undervalued, the PSA 9 cards, especially the serial numbered cards. The 2016 Bowman Draft Chrome Refractor, Pete Alonso. I picked another one up. I think I have like 5 now. I think I paid about $48 out the door. So shipping was pretty heavy on that one, because I won it at $40. So $48 out the door. Pretty excited about this. The Pete Alonso second year prospect cards, PSA 9, serial number out of 399. So undervalued, guys. I think undervalued. I paid $30 for this. So not bad, not terrible. I like Pete Alonso. I like the polar bear. I'm excited to see him play when baseball starts back up, if it ever does. I got 2017 Bowman Draft Chrome Sky Blue out of $399. I think I paid a pretty penny for this one. Yeah, $68 for this one. So, I mean, this is long-term investment, and also this is kind of like a collection, PC. So I wasn't too hesitant to pull the trigger because I like Pete Alonso as a person, as a player. and I see a huge upside on his cards. A lot of guys say he's old, he's 25, but I think Pete Alonso has a lot of potential. So I've been collecting him as an investor side and as a personal collection side, okay? And then lastly, for baseball, I bought these in a lot. I got 2 PSA 9s and 1 PSA 10. Pete Alonso Bowman draft paper. I paid $40 for this, guys. Out the door. Incredible deal in my opinion. A lot of guys out there like collecting the polar bear, and I do too. So very excited to see those. I think they've gone up a little bit in price. However, I think they're going to go back down, and I'm going to continue to buy them. Moving on to basketball. We all want to see the basketball right now. Basketball is so hot, the basketball card. So the seller had both of these listed. I forget what it was, but I made him an offer. He countered. I made another offer. He countered. And we settled on $75 a piece, guys. Shai Gilgeous-Alexander, PSA 9. This is the Concourse Silver and the Premier Silver. So beautiful cards, guys. $75 a piece. I couldn't pass it up. These have gone up over the past 2 weeks. So this is a long-term hold, in my opinion. I'm gonna watch Shai develop, see how he does in OKC, and I've just been scooping up his cards dirt cheap left and right. $20 for this one. Okay, the Spectra, guys. A lot of guys are overlooking the Spectra product. Yeah, I paid $23 out the door, including shipping. This is the serial number out of 99. Beautiful card. Definitely a PSA candidate. I'm going to submit this in my next PSA submission. But like I said, $20, guys, that's super low-hanging fruit. So make sure to check out the Spectra product. It's a newer product. Not many guys are familiar with it. They're focusing on Select, Optic, and Panini Prism, and Mosaic. However, Spectra, guys, huge potential, and collectability in the future. People are going to be accustomed to the set. They're going to want to collect it more and more just because the designs are so awesome. Here's another one I picked up. This one's serial number out of 49. I paid, I got this one for dirt cheap, I think. I paid $43, including shipping. Look how awesome that card looks. $43, serial number out of 49. It's a 2018 Spectra. I don't know what the parallel's called. Probably like a green, let's see, neon green prism refractor. So I bought it now, $43, including shipping. Definitely a PSA candidate. This seller had listed this card and nobody was buying it. He listed it as damaged for $11, guys. This is serial number out of 175. It's a die cut. So what had happened is the top of it has a nick on it. You can't really see, but he listed it in the listing and the title as damaged. And I looked at it and I was like, that's not damaged. These die cut cards, guys, they're across the board, like they're very difficult to find in perfect condition. So I know the seller was trying to do the right thing and let people know that it was damaged. However, guys, when you see something like that, don't be afraid to pull the trigger or look further into it. Just because the title says damaged doesn't mean it's damaged and not a PSA candidate. It's still a Shai rookie card, short print, die cut. Guys, $12. I couldn't pass it. Even if it was damaged, which it's not. I'm still going to submit this to PSA, but even if it was damaged, I still would have pulled the trigger because these cards, serial numbered, they're valuable regardless. Now, if there's a crease down the middle, then yeah, different story, but there's no crease. The centering is good, so I'm thinking this is going to be a PSA 9 card. So $12, couldn't pass it up, guys. Don't be afraid to, look into those listings that have damage in the title. Another Shai I picked up, serial number out of 299, good centering on the back, no whitening. This is definitely a PSA candidate. I'm gonna say it's a gem mint candidate. It's beautiful card, beautiful centering, flawless surface. Excited to submit this to PSA. I paid 55. He had it listed for 73. I made him an offer. He countered. We settled on $55, which I think is a good deal, especially if this card comes back in a PSA 10 case, guys. I paid $55 for it. I bought some just a base Select Concourse Rookies cards, guys. I think I paid $7 a piece for these in a lot, so very good deal. Definitely PSA candidates. The Select Shai Gilgeous-Alexander, guys, overlooked and underappreciated for the longest time. His cards are finally getting some love, and the prices are going up a little bit. I'm not sure how well OKC is going to do in the upcoming games, but still, man, Shai has he's grown a lot in the past year, and he has so much potential. 2 of his premier cards, I bought this in a lot. Yeah, I paid $27 for all 3 of these cards out the door, including shipping. 27 bucks, guys. Super low-hanging fruit. If you guys see the other cards going up, the silvers, don't be afraid to pull these base. Look what the base Lukas and the base Trays are going for. 2018 is just an incredible rookie class, guys. It's like, in my opinion, one of the best rookie classes of in a long time. The tricolor, guys. I've been buying Shai like they're going out of style. 13 bucks I paid for this. 13 bucks. Probably going to grade a PSA 9, but I'm okay with that. Pascal Siakam. Seller had this listed at buy it now for $40. I pulled the trigger on it. $40, free shipping. Beautiful card, beautiful centering, front and back. I'm thinking this is going to be a 10, guys. Pascal Siakam die cut, Raptors, future all-star player. Definitely one of the biggest improvements over the last year of any player. I picked up these 3, $20, including the Select Premier, which are selling for like over $30 right now. The Revolution, definitely a great set to pick up for you guys balling on a budget. These Revolution cards, guys, in PSA 10 cases, highly collectible and highly valuable for any rookie card in any year, really, in my opinion. So, and they're not that expensive either. Now, if you're looking at Lukas, yes, they're going to be pretty expensive. But other players, definitely check out the Revolution cards if the Select, the Prism, the Optic are going up. Prestige, I'm not a huge fan of the Prestige set. However, there's still some value in a PSA 10 case. Just not my go-to card. Like I wouldn't have bought this by itself. It just came in the lot. NBA Hoops, another great set to go for you guys on the budget of any rookie card. You wouldn't think it, but NBA Hoops are climbing in value. Just take a look at the Giannis rookie card, the Hoops. Incredible. And the Anthony Davis rookie Hoops. They're all going up in value. And then the Select, obviously, that was a huge, this is the card I wanted for 20 bucks, and I got the other 3 as a bonus. Oh, Costas. Okay, guys, I know this is kind of a stretch, but the reason the Costas and Antetokounmpo cards are in here, number 1, he's on the Lakers. Number 2, I paid, guys, dirt cheap. Like, I paid practically nothing for these cards. Yeah, okay, so I paid $9.45 for all 3 of these Costas cards. Not a bad deal, I think. I think he has a lot of upside, a lot of potential. He plays on the Lakers G League team. He's Giannis's younger brother, so he has that going for him. For 10 bucks for all 3 of these cards, guys, I think that's a steal. Plus, it's Antetokounmpo, brother, and I like collecting Giannis. I like the Antetokounmpo family. I think they're great athletes, and I'm definitely looking into buying more of these cards, guys. So dirt cheap. I said, why not? Why not? John Collins, I won this at auction for $22, guys. The Spectra Star Rising autograph. Now, this is on card. This one is actually on card. They did on card in 2017. Serial number out of 60. I've been buying more and more John Collins lately just because they're so cheap. He's playing with the Hawks, on the Hawks with Trae Young, and it's just an awesome card. And I said, $22, including shipping. Why not? On card autograph, John Collins. So I picked up all 8 of these John Collins rookie cards, red and yellows, for $19. 8 of them. That's $2.38 a piece, guys. That's dirt cheap for a player that really hasn't had a lot of playing time, and for the playing time he has had, it's been pretty impressive in my opinion. So I've been buying a lot of John Collins lately just because, like I said, $2.38 a piece for that. Why not? We all know what the Jason Tatums and the Donovan Mitchells that are doing with the red and yellow optics, so I think it's a bargain. I paid, here's another big big one I picked up for $61, guys. 2017 Panini Select John Collins Gem Mint 10, $61. Serial number out of 299. I won this at auction. I was expecting to get it for a lot cheaper. However, there was a competing bidder guy. The seller had multiple John Collins PSA 10s up, and he wanted them all. And so my max bid was 55. He countered, and I sniped it at the last second and won it at 61. A little bit higher than what I was wanting to pay for it, but still, guys, it's a beautiful card. It's a PSA 10, and it's a serial numbered card of John Collins. I've been, a lot of you guys don't understand Collins, my buying on him, but it's kind of like me buying Dak Prescott. I just like buying them and hoping for the best, kind of, you know what I mean? Donovan Mitchell, I paid $7, buy it now. The seller had listed this. Kind of disappointed because the back is rough. On these optics, guys, you got to be real careful with the corners because that whitening on the bottom, that's potential demotion to a PSA 9. Still, I'm not too upset with paying $7 for it. It's Donovan Mitchell. These cards are going up. And then this PSA 9 I picked up for $17, including shipping, which I thought was a good deal at the time. I think I could probably sell this for $40, $45 right now, so definitely some profit. All right, guys, there it is, my low-hanging fruit video. If you guys want to engage and interact with me even further, go check out my Patreon page, guys. It's super awesome. I'm figuring out how to use it, and it allows me to engage and interact with you guys out there who want to take your collecting and investing to the next level. Okay, so Patreon PSA Collector. Let me know what kind of options, what kind of perks and benefits you guys want to see in the comments below. Thank you all for supporting the channel. Thanks for liking the video, guys. Thanks for subscribing, and I'll see you on the next one. All right.